Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's always on the go and needs a quick, nutritious meal replacement, today's video is perfect for you. We're diving into the 2025 showdown, Jimmy Joy's Plenny vs. Huel. Both are popular powdered meal replacements designed to fuel your day, but which one should you actually buy? Let's break it down step by step. First off, what are these products? Jimmy Joy's Plenny is a Dutch brand offering affordable, plant-based shakes packed with vitamins, minerals, and a focus on sustainability. It's known for its variety of flavors like chocolate and vanilla, making it easy to mix into shakes or bars. On the other hand, Huel is a UK-based giant in the meal replacement game, emphasizing complete nutrition with high protein, fiber, and essential fats. Huel comes in ready-to-drink bottles or powders and has a reputation for being more filling and versatile. Now, let's compare them head-to-head. Starting with nutrition, both provide around 400 to 500 calories per meal, but Huel edges out with slightly higher protein content, up to 40 grams per serving versus Plenny's 30 grams. If you're watching your budget, Plenny is the winner. It's about 20 to 30% cheaper per meal, making it ideal for students or budget-conscious folks. Taste-wise, it's subjective. Many users say Plenny has a smoother, less gritty texture, while Huel might taste a bit earthy but offers more flavor options in 2025. When it comes to ingredients, Plenny uses more eco-friendly packaging and sources, appealing to environmentally conscious buyers. Huel, however, has a broader range of products, including hot and cold options, which could be a game-changer for variety. One downside for Plenny is that some flavors might not mix as well, leading to clumps, whereas Huel's formulation is more consistent. So, which one should you buy? If you're all about affordability and sustainability, go for Jimmy Joy's Plenny. But if you prioritize higher protein and don't mind spending a bit more for better taste and versatility, Huel is your pick. Ultimately, it depends on your lifestyle. Try samples if you can. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which one you're teaming up with. See you next time.